Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Legal Decipher. This will be a quick and short video on section 2 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, which talks about the definitions. A lot of people have trouble to memorize the terms used in these definitions in a sequential manner, which is why they face errors in answering basic MCQ questions asking about the section and subsection number. Also, when describing a term used in the definitions, many people like to mention the section and subsection number, but they fail to recall them during the exams. So here is a small trick to help you memorize all the terms used in section 2 of CRPC. All you have to do is to remember this story. So the story is, you have committed a bailable offense, but you were charged with cognizable offense, and a cognizable case was made against you on the basis of a complaint. Now the High Court of your state, which is of course within India, has started an inquiry and an investigation on the basis of which a judicial proceedings starts in your local jurisdiction, which is a metropolitan area. You plead that it is a non-cognizable offense, but a notification of your offense by the officer in charge of a police station is placed before the court, which was denied by your pleader. But when the police report of the police station is prescribed by the public prosecutor of that subdivision, court understood it was a summons case and you were falsely made victim of a warrant case. So you can clearly see the terms are highlighted in green color. Now it is completely a fictional story having no connection with the actual procedures of a criminal proceedings, but you can remember it as it is, just a story where the terms are used in a sequential order to help you remember them. If you memorize this story and read the Bare Act, hopefully you may be able to remember all those terms whenever you need. I hope it had helped you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more contents like this.